I'm right now here in this El Painom, just nearby Khousabung village.
Okay.
So this is our village, and I'm the head of the village.
I see.
And yesterday incidents and all, knowing about every incident last time, it is very shocked to say about the incident which took place in this village itself.
Okay.
So I'm shocked at the incident yesterday because we defend ourselves here. We establish our duty post to defend our village and the area.
Okay.
And many surrounding villages have come and help us, and we protect the area through this duty post and all. We are not going to attempt and attack the valley villages or our opponents, I should say.
Mm-hmm.
So when I heard about the news, which was last day, and the news says that it was in a different way, I'm shocked, and I'm going to tell you about the real things that happens yesterday. They have come through this way, and when they come here, our duty personnel could not find and see. But when they start firing, every people who that was at the time of our lunch exactly.
Okay.
So when everyone was for lunch, so they came and we are suddenly rushed to this side and just defend ourselves, and we start the firing again.
Yeah.
So
Counter fire.
the counter fire.
Okay.
Since they start firing, and from there itself they come. It is far away from our village. That is about 3 kilometers.
Okay.
From there they're coming up here, and they attack us. Therefore, all the boys who take rest for a while, they just take whatever the weapons they have, whether knife or gun or anything, whatever we can provide. So we fight each other. We fight back and we chase, and they fight us. Therefore, it is very sad to say that I would like to say that if this happens, how can we stay here with peaceful in this surrounding village?
So your desire is first peace.
Why not? Peace is absolutely what we desire at the exact time.
So that the attack, do you mean to say that the attack is unprovoked?
Yes.
Do you ever cause any anger or disappointment to the people, to your opponents, I mean?
Yes, I'm actually...
No, earlier, is there anything which you did, which your village people do, so in such a way that your opponents' villagers are angry?
They may not be angry, or I don't know, but since without any preparation, they just rush here. And this is not the first attempt also. More than 2 or 3 times attempt was done.
Okay.
But through the help of the army personnel,
Okay.
they are unsuccessful. But yesterday incident, they came and attacked us, and that was the attack that took place.
So is there any group involved in this counteracting the attacks of the miscreants?
No. From the day itself, this tension starts from Meiteis. We with the surrounding village, this area, Khousabung area, organize a volunteer for defending our area.
Okay.
Through all those volunteers, whatever we can provide, some single barrels.
Okay.
Only very few single barrels.
Okay.
We defend this area. So through that only we just counter attack was done.
Okay.
Only that one we can do it.
So there is no involvement of any shoe groups.
No involvement of shoe groups.
Yeah.
They are just up out there. They stay
In their
there.
camp.
Yeah, in their camp.
Okay. So like my question is like how do they come and attack? Like from which direction?
From this direction, they came there through this little small rivers that are there.
I see.
Through that,
Okay.
they scroll it slowly, and some
They crawl
duty,
up.
duty personnel could not find also. But after some times, when they start firing, everyone was alert, and we came to
So
know
when
that
they fire, was it like automatic rifles or like single barrel guns or whatever?
automatic rifles, single barrels, and along with these commandos are coming.
Okay. So what is your comment on this? Like you say that commandos are also coming. So this means, or does this means that the violence that they are perpetrating towards the tribals, especially in your village, in the case of this area, in your towards your village, is sponsored by the state government?
I don't know whether it is sponsored or not, but what I want to say is, if the government already say that peace will be there and no need to have any trade, so we believe that one. But while we are doing, we believe and staying, expecting peace will be prevail in this area.
Okay.
Suddenly that thing happens,
I see.
and I wonder if the government is looking after us. Why these things happen? So just nearby this Moirang town,
Okay.
and we don't have any belief on the government.
Yes.
We want another's separate administration, exactly for the tribals, because seeing all the past experience and past incidents, mercilessly the tribals are attacked.
Oh. So the tribals are attacked in which manner? Like in Imphal and all? Do you have
In
anything
far
to say?
as well as in Sursanpur and wherever we are.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Kay kahile El Painoma village chairman kahin kami na hile ngam khogin haw ki pahi e zan hi thil su ahin nasata in kejong kidang ka sa in hitobang hin hichelai Khousabung le El Painom chelai area hin sa alanga loilam ko dahin es na bilahi in bunglon hin Khousabung ning thing heti hin lai mun hen grouping golhongon isim pivin tilai hen duty post ka bolvin sagi tabang duty post ka bolvin hoi macha koi macha valley langa ga chi so koi ma attack ga bolding ka go povin ka ki defend na ding wahin thei kham khamin ka bolvin he chachun ke hon ka nation sunu chu single barrel them khat ho chief minister bat achom mo them kha ka ki la khom ba cha chu ka pan hin ahung ting wa hailam ho attack ahung ki bol ting ale tu ni chana ki za chu Manipur police commando ho azaujing thu ki za in hiti hin a video jong tam ta ki nei je hit ho hin a jing na hi le ki ho jong hi a ki vian wangin na sata in ki phatlam na ki shun lel na jong a ki nei jin hit a hi am ho hung hit ki zo ding hinam ki veng zo din ham ti pum ai wang pathin hat na zalin tu ni chen ge yin attack hi attempt hi thum ve langa hi ta in zan hi a chun phatta in ka firing ka ki bol to vin hi che chun ama ho hi kadel su win hi chilanga khun sai noi lang deu ta khun army hong tai ti a ke pha chun ke ho a ho so hong ki be ko win hitam bang hin ke ho hin hi silai mun na duty ka bol hi kuima ga attack ding le kuima biham hilanga mi ga su se na mi ga bolding mi ga attack ding ti ai pu in ki hoi ki vending chalai mun hi chilang area hi ven tup ding ti hi kagamu hi ven tup ding pa hi ka tu poi bin hi chule hi chita bang hin nu naw chapang ho jong hi koima ina jong am ngam ta pu in hi to banga Manipur government in hi chi thing hang mi ho khoneu cha cha acheng hi to banga ama ho in ama ho sipai amanova hi to banga attack ai ke boljing ke hi ke ho ading in athu ha in hinzo ding hinam ti hot nasata in ke patlam na in hita bang hin Manipur government in kachungwa hita banga thil agun ho hi ka gelin hi le kin wang Manipur ke vai pu na nuya umwang hi kanom ta povin separate administration wang hi kadei ho pen heti ka sei do nom
thu tu ni pha na ka sei nom pen chu hei la thil dang hi pu in islai Khousabung area amun pus mun el phainom muna not is press release ho ahung na va hin ka ke pa in ding le chlai post mona ka ngai cha no se thia kom je ka ke pa in ka ki pa thu ka hin se je so le chlai post mun hi mi jong ki tam be pon hạ sat nangen sun la zana duty hung ki bol teng la ne la sai han lang sil la chanai lo le za chom ha san na akinejin so zo se hi upi sunga so pi ule naw te hoin ai thiai le mi volunteer long ka poi movin chu teng le ne la cha zong ka poi movin ai thiai le lungset ta me ya nin gyal ko pi ban hung pan pi thei vai le chilai post mona denga ka ki pa naw pen hi ding hi ti hi tu ni pa na kain se do no me hi ka ki pa e
tu chung i boi naw Meitei te to e thing tang mi te i boi na chungwa e lama thing tang mi te how sai na CSO I think organization chumin keu ho area ka boi na chungwa ne le cha hian la sumle pai yung ki thu pi te na chunga ki pa thu ge na I think le sap chom mi pi ten na pau cham na zalwa bangzat ve him etek ei bol nu a hung lut thei lo om hi na pau chom naw lo tinin ka he a tu le ba ama ba na le pau chom na ke tu zela ipan khom naw hi chi zom zela pang khom zela na semin ituk taka mang to zel rin kon chel hi